Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update drivers using HP Support Assistant, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your computer and ensure you are connected to the internet. Locate and open the HP Support Assistant application. If the application is not installed, visit the HP website to download and install it. Once HP Support Assistant is open, you will see a dashboard with several options. Look for the Updates tab on the left side of the window. Click on the Updates tab to access the driver update section. The application will automatically check for available updates for your device. Wait a moment while HP Support Assistant scans for the latest drivers. Once the scan is complete, a list of available updates will be displayed. Review the list to see which drivers need to be updated. You may also see important updates and optional updates in separate sections. To update a driver, click on the checkbox next to the driver you wish to update. After selecting the desired updates, look for a button labeled Install or Update. Follow any on-screen prompts that may appear during the update. The updates will download and install automatically. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of the updates. Once the installation is complete, HP Support Assistant will notify you. You may need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After restarting, check for any remaining updates if prompted. Your drivers are now updated, ensuring your HP device runs optimally. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.